Hey guys, it's summer, so it's lots of barbecues and salads, and so I just wanted to throw together one of my favourite salad dressings that I think you're going to love. I don't buy very many store-bought dressings as they've usually got plenty of things in them that you don't really want to consume. So one of my favourites is the Vietnamese Thai slant. You can turn this into a few different ways, but basically I'm going to use some olive oil, some fish sauce, which you can leave out if you don't want to. You can use some tamari or some coconut aminos if you wanted to make it more vegan. And the base of this flavour is definitely the Kaffir lime leaves, which are grown in my garden. I do have a few plants, so you can see they're quite organic. A couple of Kaffir lime leaves, maybe give an extra one, and a lime. So I've just peeled the zest of a lime and I've just sat it in paper towel for a few minutes so it just dries out a little. And one chilli, you can leave the seeds in if you like it hot, and 4 cloves of garlic, so all going in here. Now if I wanted to use normal regular sugar or coconut sugar, I'd put a couple of tablespoons in here now. But seeing I'm going to use some stevia liquid, I won't be using it to add to this mix, which does help grind it, I will say. The sugar does help. So we'll give it a go anyway. Let's see how we go. Just give it a chop for about 10 seconds on speed 10. If you don't want the itsy bitsy pieces, you could just put the Kaffir lime leaf in at the end, which will just flavour up the jar. But given that I love the Kaffir lime, look how quick, simple that is. Just grab a clean spatula, give that a scrape down. Oh, you should smell that smell. It's nothing like it. All right, then we're going to add the juice of a lime. It was quite a good size lime. I'm going to bring the scales up, pop the scales on, and we want around about 40 grams. It's going to be a slow process, isn't it? I should have taken the lid off. Of the fish sauce. So I am going to use this one tonight. If you wanted to pop in your soy, tamari, any other for the base, you could do that. Oh, look at this, 80, here we go. All right, we're gonna go with 80. It really doesn't make a great deal difference. I'm gonna add just probably a tablespoon sesame oil, always gives it a nice lift. And then we're going to add around 100 grams of olive oil. As I said, finished off with just around about a centimetre. Got a centimetre of stevia liquid. It's just sweet. Sweetens that up. Now if you didn't have the chili and you didn't have the sugar, you could by all means use some sweet chili sauce, which also can be interchangeable in that. Give that a bit of a mix. Usually say mix on 6. For about 6 seconds, we'll scrape down, get all that goodness off the lid. Okay, do the little taste test. Yum, oh. Okay, and then just pop it in a jar. So I just keep this jar, keep refilling it. Now the fish sauce, because I went over about 20 or 30 grams, it's a little bit salty, that's all. But if you like salt, you'd love this at that measurement. So pop a jar in the fridge, keep it ready to dose your favourite salad. Give it a try, guys.